Good morning guys, in front of me is VIVO V40 Lite and let me show you how to add photo to contact. So, at first open your phone together. Now, if you're not in contacts panel, just open it, pick the one that you want to edit, mark edit icon and select add picture. And here choose either one from illustrations. You can create monogram, you can pick one from your Google Photos or on-device photos. You can also grab a photo right now if you want to do it. Just open your camera and apply a photo. Here, once a particular picture is selected, just customize it however you like, tap choose and save to apply it. And that's it, that will be all. So, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.